This 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCKLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Scott, LA 70583 and is offered for sale by Gauthiers RV Center. This new Coachmen is 34 feet 2 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Java interior, sleeps 11, microwave, external shower, awning, air conditioning, LP detector, spare tire kit, smoke detector, CO detector, Skylight, auxiliary battery, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Coachmen Catalina Legacy Edition 293 QBCKLE is 6,729 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Gauthiers RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.